Talking about health. How are you feeling today?
I'm feeling a little better than yesterday.
Do you have a headache?
Yes, I have a small headache.
Are you sick?
A little, I have a cold.
Do you need to see a doctor?
Yes, I think I should.
Are you taking medicine?
Yes, I take it twice a day.
How long have you been sick?
I've been sick for 2 days.
Do you have a fever?
No, I don't have a fever.
Are you feeling tired?
Yes, I feel very tired.
Do you want to rest?
Yes, I need to rest.
What's wrong with you?
I have a sore throat.
Where does it hurt?
My stomach hurts.
When will you see the doctor?
Tomorrow morning.
Why are you coughing?
'Cause I have a cold.
What medicine are you taking?
I'm taking cold tablets.
Do you need some water?
Yes, please, I'm thirsty.
Can I help you with anything?
Yes, please bring me a blanket.
How often do you exercise?
I exercise 3 times a week.
What do you do to stay healthy?
I eat vegetables and drink water.
Do you go to the hospital often?
No, only when I'm very sick.
Get well soon.
Thank you, that's very kind.
Talking about the weather. How's the weather today?
It's sunny and warm.
Is it hot outside?
Yes, it's very hot.
Is it raining now?
Yes, take an umbrella with you.
Do you like cold weather?
Not really, I prefer warm weather.
Is it windy today?
Yes, it's very windy outside.
What's the weather like in winter?
Cold and snowy.
Do you like summer?
Yes, I love summer.
Is it cloudy today?
Yes, a little cloudy.
How's the weather tomorrow?
It will be warm and sunny.
It's a beautiful day.
Yes, it really is.
What's the weather like in your city?
It's usually hot and dry.
When does it snow here?
Snows in December and January.
Do you like the rain?
Yes, I like listening to the rain.
What's your favorite season?
My favorite season is spring.
Is it cold in the morning?
Yes, mornings are cold here.
How's the weather at night?
Cool and quiet.
Do you watch the weather forecast?
Yes, I watch it every evening.
Why is it so hot today?
'Cause it's summer.
Do you take an umbrella when it rains?
Yes, always.
Is the weather good for a picnic?
Yes, it's perfect for a picnic.
Making plans. Are you free tomorrow?
Yes, I am free.
Do you want to go for coffee?
Sure, that sounds good.
Let's meet at 5.
'Kay, see you then.
Can we meet this weekend?
Yes, Saturday works for me.
Do you want to go shopping?
Yes, I'd love to.
How about dinner tonight?
Sorry, I'm busy tonight.
Let's watch a movie.
Good idea, let's do it.
What time should we meet?
6 p.m.
Can I call you later?
Yes, no problem.
Let's keep in touch.
Course, let's do that.
What are you doing tonight?
I'm staying home.
Where should we meet?
Let's meet at the cafe.
When are you free?
I'm free on Sunday.
Do you want to play football?
Yes, let's play tomorrow.
Can we go to the park?
Yes, the park is nice.
Shall we study together?
Yes, that's a great idea.
Do you want to eat lunch with me?
Sure, let's go.
What day is good for you?
Tuesday is good.
How about going to the market?
Yes, I need to buy fruit.
Do you want to join my party?
Yes, thank you for inviting me.
Talking about transport. How do you go to school?
I take the bus.
Do you drive to work?
No, I walk.
Where is the train station?
It's near the park.
How long does the bus take?
About 20 minutes.
Do you take a taxi often?
Sometimes when I'm late.
Is there a subway here?
Yes, downtown.
How much is the ticket?
It's $2.50.
Do you have a car?
Yes, I do.
Can you give me a ride?
Sure, hop in.
The traffic is heavy today.
Yes, it's very bad.
What time is the next train?
9:30 a.m.
Do you like traveling by bus?
Yes, it's cheap.
Where can I buy a ticket?
At the ticket counter.
How often do you take the train?
Twice a week.
Do you ride a bicycle?
Yes, I ride to school.
Why are you late?
The bus was full.
Is the taxi expensive?
Yes, it's too expensive.
Do you use a travel card?
Yes, I use it every day.
How do you go on holiday?
Usually by plane.
What's your favorite transport?
I like traveling by train.
Talking about family. Do you have brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one brother.
Are you married?
No, I'm single.
Do you have children?
Yes, I have 2 kids.
What does your father do?
He's a teacher.
What does your mother do?
She's a doctor.
How big is your family?
We are 5 people.
Do you live with your parents?
No, I live alone.
Do you visit your family often?
Yes, every weekend.
How old is your sister?
She's 15 years old.
I love my family.
Me too, I love mine.
Who is the oldest in your family?
My father is the oldest.
Do you have grandparents?
Yes, I have 2.
Where do your parents live?
They live in the city.
What do you do with your family?
We eat dinner together.
Do you have a cousin?
Yes, I have many cousins.
Who is your best friend in the family?
My brother is my best friend.
Do you help your parents at home?
Yes, I help with cleaning.
When do you see your family?
I see them every weekend.
What do you celebrate with your family?
We celebrate birthdays and festivals.
Do you like spending time with your family?
Yes, I enjoy it very much.
Talking about school. What grade are you in?
I'm in 8th grade.
Do you like school?
Yes, I do.
What's your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English.
Who is your teacher?
My teacher is Mr. Smith.
Do you have homework today?
Yes, I have a lot of homework.
What time does school start?
Starts at 8:30 a.m.
What time does school finish?
Finishes at 3 p.m.
Do you take the bus to school?
Yes, I take the school bus.
What subject is difficult for you?
Math is difficult for me.
Do you study with friends?
Yes, sometimes I do.
What's your best subject?
Science is my best subject.
Do you wear a uniform at school?
Yes, we wear uniforms.
Where is your classroom?
It's on the second floor.
How many students are in your class?
There are 30 students.
Who is your best friend at school?
My best friend is Sarah.
What do you eat for lunch at school?
I eat rice and vegetables.
Do you play sports at school?
Yes, I play football.
What time is your break?
Our break is at 11 a.m.
Do you like your school?
Yes, I like it very much.
What do you want to learn more about?
I want to learn more about computers.
Talking about jobs. What do you do?
I'm a doctor.
Where do you work?
I work in a hospital.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I like it very much.
How long have you worked there?
I've worked there for 5 years.
Do you work full-time?
Yes, I do.
What time do you start work?
I start at 9 a.m.
What time do you finish work?
I finish at 5 p.m.
Do you work on weekends?
No, I don't work on weekends.
What job do you want in the future?
I want to be a teacher.
Do you like your boss?
Yes, he's very nice.
What's your dream job?
My dream job is to be a pilot.
Do you work with a team?
Yes, I work with a team.
What do you like about your job?
I like helping people.
Do you travel for your job?
No, I don't travel.
How do you go to work?
I go to work by bus.
Do you have a part-time job?
No, I work full-time.
Who do you work with?
I work with my colleagues.
Where is your office?
It's in the city center.
Do you get holidays from your job?
Yes, I get 2 weeks.
Why do you like your job?
'Cause it makes me happy.
Talking about food and drinks. What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza.
Do you like spicy food?
Yes, I like spicy food.
Do you eat vegetables every day?
Yes, I eat them every day.
What do you usually have for breakfast?
I usually have bread and milk.
Do you drink coffee?
Yes, I drink it every morning.
Do you like ice cream?
Yes, I love it.
What's your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is orange juice.
Do you cook at home?
Yes, I often cook at home.
Do you like fast food?
Sometimes, but not too much.
What do you want for lunch?
I want a sandwich.
Do you eat fruits every day?
Yes, I eat bananas and apples.
What's your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is mango.
Do you drink tea?
Yes, I drink tea in the evening.
What do you usually eat for dinner?
I usually eat rice and curry.
Do you like chocolate?
Yes, I love chocolate.
What do you eat at school?
I eat snacks at school.
Do you like cold drinks?
Yes, I like cold juice.
Where do you eat out?
I eat out at restaurants.
Do you like soup?
Yes, chicken soup is my favorite.